and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you how easy it is to render a Cinema 4D with V-Ray 5 scene at RebusFarm. Notice in this case we are using V-Ray 5 for Cinema 4D. If you are using an older V-Ray version, the way the settings look might differ a bit. First, open the render settings and go to the V-Ray section. Make sure then, under the V-Ray tab and under the GI tab, you configure the quality of the image you want to render. Then simply set a name in the Save section and give a name to the image you want to render. Also select the format and remember to mark the Save checkbox. After that, you can close the render settings. Now start the Rebus Farmanizer. You can check the Auto Start checkbox so you don't need to press the play button later in the control center. If no errors are detected, you are ready to submit your scene to the farm. You can check the upload progress of your job in your control center. When the rendering is complete, the output will be downloaded to your specified download folder. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. Here are also some other videos that might interest you. Keep up to date with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.